All right, excitement is in the air. These are Ralph Lauren silks. And I want to show you, they're just simply beautiful. Tonight I have a little, I did a little webcast on working with silks, washing them, finishing them, everything to help you deal with silks, so that when you saw these you would just get excited and have no reservations. That's the goal. So this first one, these are Ralph Lauren. This is a panel. It goes 1 yard. And you can see it's different on one edge than the other. Is that beautiful? Both sides are usable, perfect for a scarf, a blouse. There's just a billion things. Just absolutely beautiful. Look at these. The colors are just beautiful. Both sides are usable. Either side would be usable. But if you're doing, you know, like a blouse, halter, skirt, oh my goodness, they're just so pretty. The pinks and the purples are so popular right now that you can see these are just current and fresh. Isn't that lovely? 100% silk. They're all on sale, $24.99 today, tomorrow. They're just lovely. I put in this pink with it. This is a cotton poly, but the drape of this matches beautifully. And it's a really pretty piece of fabric. You know, it's only $14.99. It's not $24.99, but it's really beautiful and it complements these colors just perfectly. And I had sold quite a bit in the store last Saturday, and so I thought, you know what, I better put it up with these silks. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Again, the back side is matte, but the same thing. So, and typically scarves are done like that. The scarves are shiny on one side, or blouses. I mean, they're all done the same. Isn't that beautiful? Just really beautiful. And this last one has a little bit of more olive green, which is one of our base colors for spring. They're just absolutely gorgeous. This is the time, guys. Buy the silk. $24.99. They will not stay that. They will go up. But just know that $24.99 is the best price I can give you. Ralph Lauren silks. Woo, baby. Love it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Pattern.